just not remember or call intellectually your God, your contact
Connect to
intellectually.
connect to the God and call upon them.
Yes,
Okay.
it is
Great.
It is different from worship.
Okay.
It gives you positive energy anytime. When you feel nervous, you can do Upasana.
Great.
Everyone think that puja and Upasana is same, but no, it is different. And you have to just Upasana is simple. Upasana everyone can do anywhere, anytime. Now, my personality. My personality is warm, kind, and I think pleasant and
Pleasant.
friendly. When I joined the bank, I was very shy, reserved. I don't like to talk everyone. I always thought, oh, no, he is not my friend. What I need to talk to him or her. Uh, but slowly, after 14 years, I have joined the bank. So these 14 years, I saw a big difference in my personality. Now I am friendly, not talkative, friendly, pleasant, and warm. Yes. Nowadays I'm posted at RBO section. It is where there is no customer dealing. It is back office work where we control our branches. So there are lots of time to talk each other because we have not the pressure of customer handling. So if someone enters in my section, he always asks for, ma'am, what are you doing? Yeah. If they are talking about something, they always टोकने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Point out.
They always point out me. If I am, although I am busy in my work, they always point out, ma'am, what is your opinion? What do you want to say? Because they know that I will give
honest
them
opinions, honest feedback. Okay.
Yes, no honest feedback. Not I always give them some point to laugh. They enjoy it.
Okay.
I make the surroundings
Light.
Yes, light mood. So everyone likes to talk to me, and I feel I'm friendly because if someone I found that there are so many person who knows me. Everyone say that how many persons knows you? No one. You are this office since only 6 months, but you have so friends. So that's why I think I'm friendly also. That's it.
You say thank you in the end.
Okay.
Nice,
Thank
very
you.
nice, Upasana. Very nice. Yeah.
Glad to